na i-present si Ma'am Janie, sir, na video na ano, kung okay lang sa'yo, sir.
Okay. Go ahead, Mayor Degamo.
A few slides po, so we will have a better understanding of
Sige,
what
sige.
really happened to Dindo Generoso.
Please.
Please.
Oh.
Okay. As we all know, Dindo Generoso was a radio commentator shot November 7, 2019. Next slide, please. The topic in his program is about the raid and closing of the Dumaguete City dump site, which Dindo exposed as instigated by Congressman Teves. This is an affidavit we were able to secure. It is with us, and it says there that before Dindo's death, he was tackling about the dump site found in the open dump site in Candauay, and the non-approval of the mayor to give a permit for the cockpit to operate. Dindo's expose said the NBI used the helicopter of Congressman Teves in conducting their aerial survey and operation from the time of their arrival in Dumaguete City and up to their time of departure for Manila at a hotel owned by the family of Congressman Teves. Next slide, please. Shall we, for a while, look at what's in the 24 Oras video, please? Audio, please.
Mr. Chairman, while waiting for the... Mr. Chair.
Yes, go ahead.
While waiting for the audio, Mr. Chair, ay balik ko sana kanina yung statement ko first na yung nagmanyanita na andun si Tomasino Alidro.
Umaga nitong Huwebes, nang
Kotse niya
buntutan
po yan,
ng
sir.
dalawang nakamotorsiklo sa kalsadang ito ang kotse ng radio commentator na si Mercedarius Dindo Generoso sa Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. Umusad lang ng konti ang magkaangkat.
Arestado ang dalawa sa tatlong suspect sa pamamaril sa radio commentator sa Dumaguete City.
Ang gunman, isang pulis. Ang insidente na hulikan, tinutukan ni Tina Panganiban Perez.
Umaga nitong Huwebes, nang buntutan ng dalawang nakamotorsiklo sa kalsadang ito ang kotse ng radio commentator na si Mercedarius Dindo Generoso sa Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. Umusad lang ng konti ang magkaangkas, saka pinagbabaril si Generoso sa loob ng kotse. Dead on the spot si Generoso. Bago ang pamamaril, nakitang bumaba mula sa isang pickup truck ang gunman, saka sumakay sa motorsiklo. Dahil sa mga kuha ng CCTV camera, natunton at naaresto ang mga suspect. Si retired Police Corporal Glenn Corsame, ang rider ng motor. Si Police Corporal Roger Rubio naman ang angkas na gunman. Isang Teddy Salaw naman ang driver ng pickup. Tumangging magsalita si Salaw. Hindi naman nakuna ng pahayag si Corsame na nagpapadialysis sa ospital. Pinaghahanap naman si Rubio. Sa inilabas na pahayag ni PCOO Secretary Martin Andanar, sinabi niyang ang pagkakaaresto sa mga suspect ay patunay raw sa determinasyon ng administrasyon na solusyonan ang karahasan.
Sir,
Ah,
yung si Tomasino, sir, Alidro, yun ang campaign manager ni Henry Teves na sinasabi ko. Siya yung may-ari ng kotse, yung Salaw ang brother-in-law niya. Nakunitado pa rin sa mga pulis, sir, yung waiting money dati, sir.
may-ari ng kotse. Dito,
Yes, sir.
dito ka pala. May-ari ng kotse si
Tomasino Alidro.
na-establish talaga ng pulis yan.
Yes, sir.
Saan na itong tao na ito ngayon?
So, nung nawala si Arnie, sir, nawala din siya.
Sandali. Yung pulis na retired na rider ng motor na nagda-dialysis, yan yung patay na ngayon.
Hindi ko alam, sir. Yung,
May nagsabi kayo na napatay na daw. O iba yun. Si IDG, anong update itong kaso na ito? Police ang involved, ba?
Yes, sir.
O saan na itong police
Ah,
ngayon?
I
Ano
think-
pangalan ng police, Mayor? Ano pangalan ng police?
Rubio, sir.
Rubio. Saan ito?
We will find out, sir, if
Retired,
it
sir, retired.
was handled by SITG of the CIDG, sir. If there are prominent cases, sir, I think it will be initially catered by the territorial police. And if an SITG will be created by the local police, after 6 months, if it will be considered as a cold case, it will be turned over to the CIDG, sir. So,
Retired yung Rubio, sinabi retired.
Yes, sir.
Tapos yung rider din retired, para yung retired police yung dalawa.
Active, sir.
Active ang
Si Cliff, di ko ano, sir, basta alam ko police sila, sir.
dalawa yun. Rubio at saka
Corsami. Patay na. Patay na daw si Corsami, sir, yung dialysis.
ayun nag-dialysis nga, patay na.
Ah.
Siya yung nag-ride ng motor. Back-ride si Rubio, yung pagsibat na. Pero si Rubio active at the time.
Yes, sir.
Active policeman. PNP, kindly update this committee tomorrow, ha? Ano nang nangyari ng mga... Are you taking notes of all these mga revelations? Then, hindi na kailangan sabihan ko kayo, ha? Tomorrow you have to update us.
Isa niya.
Yes, Mayor Degamo.
If I may be allowed to continue with the presentation po, let's go back to katong sa 24 oras, the next slide. The next slide of 24 oras. Okay. Arrested, retired PNP Glenn Corsame, again a friend of Mr. Tomasino Tukoy Aledro, who was alleged to be the driver of the... Dili na mao. Yeah, the driver is Teddy Salaw, brother-in-law of Tomasino Tukoy Aledro. And it is the vehicle is registered to Tomasino Tukoy Aledro. So sino ba si Tomasino Tukoy Aledro? He is the campaign manager, as mentioned by Mayor Henry a while ago, and is also project development officer at the Capitol when he became mayor. When he became governor for 3 months. Let's continue with the slide. Found and confiscated from the possession of Mr. Corsame was his cell phone, which contained threads of chats with Mr. Rogelio Rubio, an active PNP, related to the chasing Mr. Rubio and Mr. Chodorico Salaw, the driver of the white Mitsubishi pickup, and who happens to be the brother-in-law of Tomasino Tukoy Aledro. Again, Tomasino Tukoy Aledro is the registered owner of the white Mitsubishi pickup and a trusted hand and business partner of Congressman Teves. Continue, please. In an article of the Rappler, you can find there that Tomasino Aledro is a local operator of a form of gambling called small town lottery. Aledro's brother-in-law, Teddy Salaw, and 2 accomplices within the police force, Glenn Corsame and Roger Rubio, are involved in the killing of Dindo Generoso. Next slide, please. The same evidence and suspects were already presented to the Presidential Task Force on Media Security, or the PTFOMS. So what happened to the Malacanang investigation? If you want to see the content of that video, please i-play na to.
Please play it technical. Paki-play. Okay. While download yun,
We will go to the next slide na lang,
Si
sir.
Undersecretary
For a while,
Joel
for a while.
Eco ng Presidential Task
Ah,
Force
sige,
on
go ahead.
Media Security.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you. Uh, Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the Malacanang Press Corps. It is my pleasure to deliver this opening statement on behalf of Presidential Communications Operations Office Secretary Martin Andanar, also the co-chairman of the Presidential Task Force on Media Security. Following the gruesome killing of radio black timer Dindo Generoso in the morning of Thursday, November 7, no less than President Rodrigo Duterte, through presidential spokesman Salvador Panelo, ordered authorities to act with dispatch in bringing his killers to justice. In a matter of hours and in quick successions, two of the suspects in the attack were arrested on the same day, namely Teddy Salao and Glenn Corsame. In record time, the next day, charges of murder were filed against Salao and Corsame and two others, namely Roger Rubio, the alleged gunman, and Tomasino Aledro, who have since been in hiding. This morning, we are pleased to announce that Rubio is now in government custody. Caving in to mounting pressure due to an intensified manhunt, Mr. Rubio, unfortunately an active personnel of the Negros Oriental Provincial Mobile Force Company, gave himself up to his commanding officer, Police Lieutenant Colonel Judimar De Leon, at around 6 o'clock in the evening of November 13. This is the outcome of the close coordination and careful.
Sige po. Next.
No, before you continue, PNP, ako'y hiyang-hiya na. Ako'y former chief PNP, tapos lahat ng killing dito, police ang involved. Ano bang nangyayari sa mga tao natin? Bakit nagpapagamit sa mga politiko itong mga police natin? Ano bang gawin natin para hindi magamit ng mga politiko itong ating mga kapulisan? Isipin mo, media, pinatay ng pulis. Tapos apparently, lumalabas talaga na konektado sa mga TVs. Anong gagawin natin dito?
Personal view ko, sir. Siguro, sir, tama si Senator Padilla, sir, yung death penalty. At police involved dito sa mga ganito, death penalty na natin, sir.
Sana, pero ang hirap makalusot ng death penalty. Drug trafficking nga lang, hirap na hirap tayo. Sana, nakikinig si chairman ng Committee on Justice ngayon dito. Sana yun, umalis na. But anyway,